Welcome back. It is an art quiz review day, but today's going to be kind of a light day. Now, if in live classes we would have a bingo, but without being in the live class, we won't be able to do that, at least not through a demo video. But we can still do some of the other things. Once again, very light day. So what I want you to do, and if you want to click on these slides, feel free to do that. Otherwise, you can just watch right along with the demo. Is first we're going to review some complementary colors. So remember, complementary colors are colors that are opposite from each other on the color wheel, and when they're together, they make each other both look more vibrant and bright. And so anyway, complementary colors. So what you're going to do is go find essentially two things, right? Unless you already have something that is just one thing that has both the complementary colors in it. You could do that too. But go find something that is our first set of complementary colors, which is red and green. And as a reminder, as you're looking for those things, these are going to be questions like you may see on the quiz in a few days. So, try to keep that in your head, like, okay, red and green, those are across from each other. Those are complementary colors. Pause this as needed, but go find red and green complementary colors. Bring them back. You don't have to photograph them. You don't have to submit them. You just have to learn them so that you know them for when the quiz comes. Our next set of complementary colors, my favorite, is blue and orange. So go ahead and find two items that are blue and orange. Maybe even look at like one by itself, the other by itself, put them together. Do you notice, do they seem to be more bold and vibrant when they're together? Maybe you can notice that. Our final set of complementary colors are purple and yellow. These are Viking colors, and we may not all agree with that, but they are still complementary colors. So go find those. Once again, there's nothing to turn in with this, just really to make sure our brain solidifies that. So if we see colors or questions like this on the quiz, we feel good about it. All right. Next then, after we find complementary colors, we're going to look for some patterns next. Oh, actually here. That is, let me do something real quickly over here. See if I can fix this quickly. If not, I'll just switch what screen we look at. Let me see if I can fix it quick though. Bum, bum, bum. Yes, I think I can. Okay, let's refresh. Sorry about the delay there. All right, so first thing we want to do, we're looking for patterns once again. So patterns is something that repeats, right? And it might be like dot, dot, line, dot, dot, line, dot, dot, line. It doesn't have to be all the same thing. It doesn't have to be like dot, 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 dot. But as long as it repeats in that same familiar pattern, it's a pattern. So anyway, what we're going to go find though, go look around your home. Find something that has dots, like a dot pattern on it. Once again, we're not submitting. You are not having to even show this to me since this is a demo video. But we just want to get familiar with patterns so that once again, you see questions about it on quiz day, you're feeling good. All right, so next, find anything that has any sort of pattern. Could be herringbone, could be zigzags, it could be wavy lines with, dots above and below. I don't know. Look around your house. Find anything that has a pattern. Good. Pause this as needed as a reminder. Find something that has stripes. And I guess we have plenty of things with stripes around the home. So look for something that has stripes next. Find something that is metallic or maybe even glittery. See if you can find something like that around your home. Pause as needed. Come back and start it back up whenever you're ready. Finally, find something that has a texture. And so what that means is let me go over here. When you feel it, you can actually feel the texture of it. Like this is kind of a woven texture. So find something that has a texture. So when you touch it, you actually can feel the texture of it. Okay, if you want bonus, that is the last one, but you could also look for something that has implied texture, where it's actually like a drawing or a painting and it looks like it's maybe slimy or it looks like it's fuzzy, but it's not. It's just implied texture. It's drawn on, but it doesn't actually feel that way when you touch it. Okay, as a reminder too, today is a great day if you don't have something turned in. We're just a few days till the end of the semester. Let's get that turned in. Okay, even if it's not completely done, let's get it turned in. I'll grade it. You can always ask for a redo if you don't like how that grade is looking quite yet. But it's, you know, even if we're getting like a 30 out of 40, it's so much better than a 20 out of, or 20, a 0, right? So let's make sure that we're getting those things turned in. The sooner the better. That finish line is coming in hot. So let's get that done. And then we'll have another review and quizzes coming up soon as well. All right, you guys have a great day.